one shout to God? Let me get an amen for the God. Amen to God. Amen, because only he can do what others can't. Hey you guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. If you want to see how I completed this look, keep watching. So I am starting off with a clean face and in my eyebrows. This is as best as I can do with eyebrows that have not been waxed or tweezed in a couple months. Like, I could just do it myself, but my eyebrows are so complicated that I don't want to mess up my eyebrows, and then when it's time to go see somebody, then they're like, girl, oh, we could tell you did them eyebrows yourself. Like, why you ain't just leave them where they were? For foundation, I am using the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. That's a lot of F's. In the shade Suede. So it is a medium tan with a golden undertone. One thing I love about this foundation is it is so thick. So thick and so matte that a little goes a long way. You really build upon this and really just kind of like keep layering it, you know, depending on your thickness consistency, how thick you want it. Depending on how my face is looking for the day, sometimes I do, you know, throw extra on top. It just really depends on how my face is looking. If my hormones are being kind to me today or if they're not being kind today. And it depends on how I'm going to, you know, use my foundation. If my skin is just looking trash today and I've got hella blotches and scars and pimples, like, sis, we going heavy today. We're gonna have to, like, we just gonna have to be a heavy mama today, cause them scars ain't cute. I freaking hate them. Child, my skin used to look so terrible like 2-3 years ago. Like, it used to make me so freaking insecure because I'm just like, bro, like, this is something that I'm not even doing. Like, I'm not even, you know, doing something to my skin for it to be that bad. Like, you know, not washing it, or I don't know, just constantly touching my face or not taking care of my skin. And it just made me so self-conscious because I was taking care of my skin. Like, I was trying everything that I could do to, you know, take care of my skin and just to kind of figure out what it needed. But that's a whole nother freaking topic. Maybe I'll come back and do a PCOS update. If you want to see that, if you want to see another PCOS video, do let me know. I've already filmed one PCOS video and I got some good feedback. It was very nice, a very good video for me to kind of like open up about and really discuss and be personable, because I never really realized how many women suffer from polycystic ovary syndrome until I was being open about it. Until I started being transparent, that's when I realized, like, yo, this is not just me. Like, no, there's a lot of women that suffers with it. And I probably should have color corrected a little bit, especially on these little dark splotches right here. You know what? I think I'm about to maybe just go add just a little bit. We're gonna get it fixed. We're gonna get it rocking. So I'm just gonna use just a little bit. Very small dot there. Small dot here. Small dot. And I'm just gonna blend those little dots out a little bit.
After blending, I did pick up a little bit more foundation to put over the green concealer and then blend it all together.
Next, we are going to use some concealer. Since we're using e.l.f. foundation, it only makes sense to use a e.l.f. concealer. So I am using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Cameo Concealer. And this is in the shade Medium Beige. We're gonna put some up here. On the nose. So now that I got my concealer on, we're gonna start blending out. For contour, I'm going to use the Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette. Hold up, hold up, hold up. I'm just taking the contour shade and my little brush, and I'm just gonna go along the edges of my face, like this big forehead here, aka the 5 head. I'm going to contour this 5 head with just small little I don't know what you call these. I'm not gonna say dots because these are not dots. Small little dabs. That's what I'm gonna say, a dab. I'm going to now go in with the Sculpt shade. I probably should have did this use this one better than the concealer for my nose, but hey, it is what it is. So now I'm just gonna blend in my contour with a damp beauty blender. Now I am taking my setting powder. I am using the Fenty setting powder in the shade Honey to set underneath my eyes. Gonna tap off that extra. All right, we're just gonna set that under eye. So now I'm taking the It's My Ray Ray palette by BH Cosmetics. I freaking love this palette, y'all. Like, you probably see me use this a million times. It's a good 3-in-1 because you got the eyeshadow up top, then the second layer is the highlighters, and then the third is the contour, powder contour. So this palette is pretty lit. Like, I love how I could be able to just come through this palette and do 3 different things. Take an angled face brush and just dab into this mocha color to go on top of the contour that I have placed on my cheekbones. We are moving on to eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35C palette, and I'm going to be digging into this yellow shade here and just starting to build that onto my eyelid. Trying to resume life and work and be quarantined and pack at the same time. Shorty, this has been for the birds, like. But it's okay. God has blessed us with another place to live. That's the beautiful part. He has always came through for us, and he took our worries, took our concerns, and he did what he had to do. Thank you, Jesus. Amen. Let's give one shout to God. Let me get an amen for the God. Amen to God. Amen. Because only he can do what others can't. That's all we know. I'm going to take a blending brush and I am going to blend some of that out. Blend the edges all the way up to my eyebrow. You got to find the beauty in what you find the beauty in. And I'm going to say a beautiful thing about this quarantine is they have canceled student loans till September. I don't know how much more explaining I'm gonna have to do on that one, but I know I'm not the only student that is happy that student loans are for us right now. Let me see, what do I want to put under eye? Do I want to use yellow again? Or some brown? Let's use this brown. Let's see what this one's hitting on. If I don't have to pay y'all this month, I'm gonna go ahead and keep my coins, honey. We're gonna switch brushes. This smaller brush, just really get up in that under eye. It's gonna get all up in that under eye. Oh yeah, I'm digging this one. So now that the eyeshadow's done, let's do some eyeliner. I've finished my eyeliner and I have also went ahead and put my lashes on. Well, I got one lash on. I'm waiting for the other one to, for the glue to dry now and become tacky. So while that is drying, I am going to go in with my Juvia's Place, the Nubian highlighter in this shade Clio. A little bit for this goes a long way, so I'm just gonna dust some of that extra off. And, woo, too much. Way too much. Let me put some on the other side. I do just a little touch on my nose, just a little loop, and spread that out. I'm gonna go ahead and check on my lash. Oh yeah, she tacky. I am going to pause the video and go do my hair. I thought about this cute little hairstyle. I figured it would be perfect for this look, so I'm going to finish my hair once I smack on this eyelash. Alright you guys, so this completes my look. For my lipstick, I used the Carucci and ColourPop collaboration in the shade Cinnamon Cream. It's a nice, beautiful brown color. And I did also layer it on top with the Wet n Wild Mega Slick Lip Gloss. And this is the shade Rose Gold, just to add a little extra shimmer on top of it. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do. And follow me on all social media platforms at circus_Selai. That is circus_SELAI. Thank you for tuning in. Love you guys. Catch you for the next video.